Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is super duper special to me and I am so excited to be sitting down and doing this. If you guys have been a long time subscriber of my channel, then you must be aware, and I don't know if you remember this, but I did one video every day for the month of September, I think 2 years ago, and I called it it was the hashtag accept with Deb or something. Yes, I think, and someone had suggested Debtember, and I was so sad that I didn't use it that year. So I think this year, that's what I'm gonna call this. I am going to do a video every day till my birthday in September, which is on the 26th of September. So I'm going to do a video each day till the 26th, and this time around the series is going to be called hashtag Debtember. Yeah, I hope I can do this. I am so nervous that I'm even filming this video, and I'm just hoping and praying that I am able to do this and I do this consistently. And this time around I am going to include quite a variety of subjects like last time. So unspoken beauty is going to come back. A lot of you really love that. A lot of you are subscribed to my channel because of those videos, so I'm going to bring those back. And there's going to be reviews, there's going to be makeup tutorials, and a lot more fun stuff. In case you would like to watch something specific, please leave your recommendations down below. It's going to really help me plan the month out. And this is day one, and sorry about like a rather short video, but I really wanted the first day to be like this announcement to bring everybody together. And while you're watching this, I'm actually in Vietnam. I am traveling around with my cousin brother, and hopefully if everything goes on well, I am in Vietnam right now while you're watching this, probably sipping on some nice gin and tonic at Ha Long Bay. I'm guessing that's where I'm supposed to be on this day of September. So yeah, I am so excited and looking forward to that journey right now because I haven't made it yet. But I'm guessing some sort of vlog from Vietnam is going to be also included in the Debtember series. I actually quite like the hashtag. What do you guys think? Yay! So that's all. I just wanted to sit down and make this announcement. And obviously this is pre-filmed. If you guys remember, I had this curls on back in August, and if you guys follow me on my Insta stories, you must have seen it. And yeah, that's when I filmed this. This is in the middle of August. That's how long before I have to prep for my Debtember, and I'm actually super excited. Okay, that's all. I'm just gonna leave now. Please be subscribed to my channel in case you do not want to miss any videos from the series. Hit on the bell icon so that you're notified. A notification like just pops up on your phone and you know exactly when I'm gonna post. And that's all. Wish me luck and let's do this.